English by the Nature Method, Chapter 6, the 6th chapter. The Garden. Mr. Smith's house is in a garden. In the garden there are many trees. There is a tree here. There are big trees and there are small trees in the garden. The big trees are tall, the small trees are low. Where is Mr. Smith's house? It is in a garden. Are there only tall trees in the garden? No, there are also low trees. Is Mr. Smith's house a high house? No, it isn't high. It is only low, but it is higher than the low trees. The tall trees are higher than the house. Are all the trees in the garden tall? No, some of the trees are tall and some of the trees are low. Are all persons big? No, some persons are big and some persons are small. Mr. Smith is tall, but Mrs. Smith is not so tall. She is taller than John and Helen. Are all persons tall? No, some persons are tall and some persons are short. A tree is a plant. A flower is a plant. There are tall plants. A bush is also a plant. Flowers and grass are low plants. Are trees the only plants in the garden? No, there are also other plants in the garden. Is Helen the only girl in the family? No, there is also another girl in the family. The baby is the other girl in the family. There is only one son in the family. John is the only son in the family. Which of the plants in the garden are the biggest? The trees are the biggest plants. What are the other plants in the garden? The other plants are the flowers, the bushes, and the grass. Here is a bush and the grass. The trees and the flowers have leaves. The color of a leaf is green. Are the bushes tall plants? No, the bushes are low plants. They have branches and leaves. Have flowers branches? No, flowers have no branches, but they have leaves. Have trees branches? Yes, trees have branches as well as leaves. What is the color of grass? The color of grass is green. Have the trees and the bushes leaves? Yes, both the trees and the bushes have leaves. What is the color of a leaf? The color of a leaf is green. Are there flowers only in the garden? No. Mrs. Smith has some flowers in the house. There are flowers both in the garden and in the house. There are flowers in the house as well as in the garden. That's a leaf here. Are both Helen and Alice girls? Yes, both Helen and Alice are girls. John and Helen, as well as the baby, are children. Have the girls short hair? Yes, both of the girls have short hair. Both Helen and the baby have short hair. Some trees in the garden have fruit. A pear is a fruit. An apple is a fruit. What is a pear? A pear is a fruit. Are there other fruits? Yes, the apple is another fruit. The year has 4 seasons. Summer is a season, winter is a season, spring is a season, and autumn is a season. The summer months are June, July, and August. The autumn months are September, October, and November. The winter months are December, January, and February. The spring months are March, April, and May. How many seasons has a year? A year has 4 seasons. What are the 4 seasons? The 4 seasons are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. How long is a season? A season is the 3 months. When is summer? Summer is the months of June, July, and August. When is winter? Winter is the month of December, January, and February. In spring, the fruit trees are in blossom. The fruit trees are in blossom when it's spring. The trees have no leaves when it's winter. In summer and autumn, the trees have fruit. When are the fruit trees in blossom? The fruit trees are in blossom in spring. When have the trees fruit? The trees have fruit in summer and in autumn. Have the bushes also fruit? Yes, some of the bushes have fruit. The fruits of the bushes are berries. What's a berry? A berry is the small fruit of a bush. In winter it is cold. On some days in winter there is snow. The color of snow is white. Is it warm in winter? No, it is cold in winter, but in summer it is warm. What is the color of snow? The color of snow is white. Is snow cold or warm? Snow is cold. Is there snow in summer? No, in summer it is warm. And there is no snow.